What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's been a while since I made like a live stream, so good to be back. And I hope you guys are ready for this one. I mean, a lot has happened when it comes to altcoins mostly, but Bitcoin has just done half of it, okay? Like, we'll get into it, but first, I'd like to say welcome and thank you to all the new subscribers and the old ones, and each and every one of your contributions and your likes and everything. Like, it's been a lot of action going on with the channel, and it's all thanks to you guys. Like, I'm sipping my tea at the same time, cold, trying to be warm. But like I was saying, thank you all for being here and tuning in and, you know, engaging and all that. Before I go ahead and start, like, there are a few subscribers that I can see, with a public channel that I'd like to welcome, like, properly. Okay, so welcome to all of you, and then let's do this. Oh, we gotta fix this. Like, it's way, way up here. It should be in the middle, but I'll get to it. Burak Varliol, welcome. We got Okechuku. I can't pronounce that, but Okechuku. I hope I'm not pronouncing it wrong. But Maximus, okay, Mr. Maximus. Welcome to you too. And then we got Top Videos E-Films, yeah? Well, Top Videos E-Films. And Luigi, we got a Luigi too. Welcome to you too. And the last one is Kuchukaralar, something like that. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but I've seen those letters before. I think if I'm not mistaken, you can correct me, but if I'm not mistaken, it looks like Turkish, Turkish letters, if I'm not mistaken. In that case, I know how to say brother in Turkish. I think it's Kardesh. Welcome, Kardesh. Okay, so let's just get into it. Let's get into the TA now, yeah? So, Daily Candle has just started right in time. Things are not looking that healthy for Bitcoin, okay? Like, if you guys look at this, like, we have some bearish divergence, in development. I can remove this now. It's not, relevant right now, so I can just hide it. If you guys ever saw everything that I have drawn in the chart, I bet you guys would have a headache or something, okay? But anyways, we do have some bearish divergence going on, as you guys can see, on both oscillators, okay? So a pullback would not be that shocking. And on top of that, we hit the resistance levels or target, profit taking levels. whichever you like to call it or whichever you call it. So this is not weird. What we're looking at right now is not weird. But looking at my other screen, like 20 period moving average is still above midterm, which is good. But right here, the way things are looking, like if we are losing strength in the positive momentum, as you guys can see, we are losing, like it hasn't happened yet, but we are losing it, okay? Like it's getting weaker. We can probably come back. I would definitely not be surprised if we have one more leg up and then have a proper bearish divergence, okay? Just one more leg up, probably to 21.7, 21.8. You see this red dotted line right here, okay? So it's possible, like I wouldn't be shocked at all. So old resistance, these levels, if I just stretch it out right now and just do this, it could act as support, okay? It could act as support and we'll see if it does, but don't be surprised if we have one more leg up to 21.8 or something. Like, don't. It looks like it could happen. Just, short squeeze. Let me have another sip of my tea now again. Just a minute. Okay. So, RSI is still above neutral. We have two pretty strong bearish candles, as you guys can see here. But still, from experience, like I would not be surprised if we have one more leg up, because it doesn't. Just have a look at the weekly, okay? It doesn't look like there is some indecision after a strong bullish engulfing candle. Okay, fine. Let me just do this because this does look like a high drawings. Yep, high wave candle. High wave candle. So, guys, if you've been watching my like streams before, I've explained what high wave candles are. And for those who don't know, it tells us that the market is confused. Okay? So market is confused. Like we don't know if it's the bulls or the bears that are gonna be gaining control. And if you see something like this, like a very long upper and lower wick, small real body, okay, it's a high wave candle, okay? It's telling you the market is confused right now. So we can like come down soon, possible. If you ask why is that possible, because we have clear hidden bearish divergence still forming on the weekly. Nothing has changed in that front, okay, at all. But looking at the daily, I wouldn't be surprised if we have one more leg, just one more leg up, and then have a nice pullback, okay? I mean, it could happen also now, but don't be surprised if we have one more leg up to 21.7, okay? So, if this continues down to the downside, like we do have support around these levels, I can just do this, okay? Nothing has changed there either. It's important that we do not break what? We don't break this yellow line right here, okay? If we do, it's gonna get ugly pretty fast. Keep that in mind. As long as we're above 20K, like, we are fine. I mean, short term, we are fine. Midterm, probably too, we are fine a little bit. But if we break 20K or 19, price here now, around 19,900, and close a daily below it, close a 4-hourly below it. I've spoken about this before. Not much holding us really until let's be a bit more conservative, okay? If we break anywhere below $19,800 on the daily or 4-hourly, not much holding us until these levels, guys. 19,300 to 19,400-ish, okay? Somewhere around these levels, fine. So hopefully it holds. Ooh, I see something beautiful going on the 4-hourly chart. Okay, so we have hidden bullish divergence forming on the 4-hourly chart. Not complete yet, so it's not valid yet, but it's definitely forming just on one of the oscillators, not on the RSI, but it's okay, it's cool. So that's Bitcoin. Like, if you saw the last stream, you guys know about these levels. Like, we came, we touched it, and we're pulling back. Like, there's nothing more I can add, because since TA has been respected for since a few days now, like a whole week, not much I can add. When it comes to the moving averages, I'm looking at my other screens. Like I said, 20 period moving average is above the midterm, and on the 4-hourly, it's also above the other moving averages, the mid and the long term, okay? It's just important that we don't break below, let's say, 20,200 to $20,000, okay, on a 4-hourly range. If we do that, yeah, guys, see eventually around 19,300 to 19,400, somewhere there, okay? Let's head to Ethereum. Just a fast recap of what's going on. I'm going mute sometimes because I'm sipping my cup of tea. So Ethereum also respected, like, I can just make this now. If you guys remember these white lines, it was from the last stream, and it also kind of played out, so not relevant anymore. I'm gonna remove it. Hide. Okay, like, looking at the Western indicators, I don't see a lot of difference between Bitcoin or Ethereum right now on the daily. Not much at all. We have some type of hidden bearish divergence developing on both oscillators. And when it comes to the moving averages on the daily, looking at my other screens, we are above the 20 period moving average, which is good, but here we are being rejected by this long-term moving average, which these are my own settings, by the way, right here. Okay, so we are being rejected by the long-term moving average at these levels, and we hit resistance, so I wouldn't be surprised if we come and retest, these levels. Not surprising at all. For start, the first support I'll be looking at is around $1,475. Okay, if we lose that one, not much holding us until 1,430 areas around these levels. Okay, that would be around this short-term moving average right here. Yeah, RSI is still above neutral. Japanese indicators telling us bears were in control, but we have some indecision now. And looking at the 4-hourly, oh, so close, so close, guys. Now look now. I mean, if I do this, at this, look at this. So, you see this trend line? Right now, it is acting as some type of support, okay? It was acting as resistance earlier, now it's acting as support. If we break this one, not much holding us until these levels, okay? Really not that much. If you look at the daily, we closed with an indecision candle after, the candle from before yesterday being a bearish engulfing candle, okay? And ooh, sell pressure is rising, okay? While we are losing positive momentum on the MACD. So positive signs, yeah? But think about this. If Bitcoin has another leg up, nothing surprising if we see Ethereum have another leg up as well, okay? So yeah, I mean, not much going on here. How can I say this like the best way? We can come back and, because I already spoke about these levels, but I wouldn't be surprised if we come and test levels of 1,000 and let's see now, 1,750 to $1,780. Nothing strange if that happens, okay? But let's have a look at the weekly. Another high wave candle, I assume. Is that what we're seeing? Yeah, market is confused. Market is confused, guys. The market is confused. And we got hidden bearish divergence on Ethereum weekly as well. Hmm. Yeah, like we can still have another leg up. Doesn't mean the bulls are completely back. It's just, telling us that the bears have lost a bit of steam. Was just fixing the volume, music volume, so it's not too high. Okay, so we need to break above $1,670, okay, on a 4-hourly, close the 4-hourly candle above it to see the other levels I was talking about, like the first, well, not the first, this would be the first, but the second resistance level or the second profit taking level, okay, which is around, like I said, 1,750 to $1,780 around these levels, okay? Hmm. If we can close a daily or even 4 hourly above that, I mean, not much holding us until maybe 1,000. Let me see. Like we can go up like $100 more, around like $100 more, maybe a bit more than that, if we can close above 1,780 on the daily or 4 hourly, okay? Okay, just a minute, guys. I have to take this call. Just a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. Um, a friend is watching the streams, and he called me up and he was like, "You forgot to say something." I was like, "What?" He was like, "You forgot to say, stop. It's Dana." I was like, "Okay, you're too funny." But anyways, sometimes we just like to joke around. So he just wanted to let me know that he was watching too. That's why he called. So that's Ethereum. We need to break above $1,650, okay, to see some type of, let's say, to be a bit more conservative, okay, $1,670. If we can close above that on a 4 hourly, next resistance we can meet is around 1,760, ish to 1,780. Let's just say 1,800 even, okay, around these levels, because there's not much holding us really until these levels, okay? So we will see if the support holds, if we can break above this moving average, the long term, and continue a bit higher. And if Bitcoin does do what I think it can do, but I'm just giving you my unbiased TA. I'm just telling you now my opinion, okay? This is my own opinion. If Bitcoin does go up, go for another leg up, we're probably gonna see one more leg up on Ethereum as well, okay? Okay, next, my friends, next. What's next? We gonna do Cardano. Cardano. Everybody was hyping and I don't know what because we broke out of this resistance level. But if you've been watching the streams since last time, you know how many times I said that we have to close above 0.44. We have to close above 0.44. What happened instead? We got rejected around these levels, okay? Simple as that. And also bearish divergence developing here. Is it the same on the R side? Yeah, kind of, yeah. Kind of, yeah. So still, if we can't break above 0.44, not much to discuss here right now, okay? We can come in all the way here, like we can come and retest 0.3888, 0.38, let's see. Yeah, 0.38 to 0. Well, 0.39 to 0.38, around these levels, okay? You see this red line? Should actually be blue now since it was acting as resistance before this happened, okay? So we can come back and retest these levels, wouldn't be shocking at all. Do not be shocked, guys. Like literally nothing, like almost nothing has happened when it comes to Cardano. Except that this support got respected, okay? We spoke about it way before like prices were even close to these areas, okay? Support got respected and now, you know, we bounced and we're trying to hold on. Like the bears, like the bulls are trying to hold on with everything they got. We'll see how it goes for them, but it's not looking good. Like it's not like we've seen stronger things, okay? We've seen stronger actions in this market, so and this is not it. This is not it, okay? So if you come back to 0.39-ish levels, don't be surprised. And if we break below it, we can easily come back and retest 0.35. Not a big range from this price right here, but just telling you what I see. Okay, just a minute. Another call again. Just a minute, guys. And back. Okay. So that's Cardano. Support first one around 0.39ish, 0.38ish. And if we lose that one, let's just say between 0.37 to 0.39, okay? We lose that one, see around these levels like 0.33, 0.35. It's not a big difference like from the other range, but I'm just telling you what I'm seeing, what I can see when it comes to the TA. Next XRP. XRP. Oh, it keeps on playing with us, like it keeps on playing with us. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this for those of you who watched the last stream, or maybe the stream before that, 3 streams before that. You probably know what this bear flag was. It wasn't for the daily, it was just for the shorter time frame, which already played out as well. So remove this. And we couldn't break above 0.51. You guys see, like I kept on telling you, if we can't break above 0.51 either first, we won't be able to see these levels, which would be around 0.55 and so on. And if you can't break above 0.55, we won't be able to see what levels? These levels, this box right here, okay? So XRP looks like we got some type of support. Let me see. Around this first support that we had last time, okay? Simple. Not complicating things. That's XRP right now. If we come back to levels of 0.44, not surprising, okay? There is no hidden bearish divergence, no hidden bullish divergence, like just what it is right now. Literally, it's just what it is, okay? Like, what am I gonna say about this one? Not much. That's why I've been making those short videos when it comes to altcoins. Because I realized it feels like I've spoken about this like a few months ago now. Since when had this been going on? Yeah, since the beginning of October. Let's say the beginning of October, okay? And things are pretty much being respected when it comes to the TA. So I'm not gonna add things just for the sake of talking, okay? It is what it is. Let's just continue to the next one. Oh, Link. Link had a nice move today. So prior daily candle closed with a strong, strong candle with the matching volume, yeah? Matching volume, okay? We still got positive momentum on the MACD. RSI is in bullish territories. This is nice. Like, so thing is, we have to break above $9.3, 9.5, 9.3 to $9.5, okay? On the daily, to see some higher levels around $11, okay? There is some hidden bullish divergence going on, forming already. As you guys can see on both oscillators, okay? It's only good. We because some indecision in the market, yeah, looking at the Japanese indicators, but buy pressure is definitely here right now. But keep in mind, we are around resistance levels right here, yeah? So we really need to close above it to see, some higher levels, okay? And I don't think Link is done running. I mean, it could be done running if Bitcoin also pulls back, okay? But right now it's still looking okay. Better than the other markets we had a look at. Guys, it's like 1:30 a.m. I'm pretty tired, but feeling a bit tired at least. I mean sleepy, not tired actually, just sleepy. But we'll go through a few more and then see what's up. So on the 4 hourly, first support we have is around these levels, okay? 7.5, 7.7 areas. If we lose that one, not much holding us until let's see now. 7.2, okay, 7.2, 7.1 areas. Well, and if that fails, see back around these levels, okay? What else? What else? What else? think I think we will leave it there because like excuse me guys, I went live today because I wanted to thank all of you subscribers like properly, but I'm pretty tired. I'm just gonna wrap this up pretty fast, okay? And I'll be back tomorrow with some TA again. Because we already took the main ones, which is Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum, Ripple, and also Link, of course. So yeah, guys, that was it for me this time, and excuse me, and I will be back tomorrow as usual. Um, do not forget, always have your stop loss ready, and always DYOR, no, Dior, okay? And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.